First, open the WA Sender software. After opening, click on the Add Account option to connect your WhatsApp account. A QR code will appear. Simply scan it using your mobile WhatsApp to log in next. Go to the number section. Here, enter the numbers you want to send messages to, including the country code. Remember one important thing: do not use the plus sign before the country code. After that, write your message. You can also use templates if needed. Once your message is ready, set the gap time. It is recommended to keep it between 20 to 40 seconds to keep your account safe and avoid spam detection. Now you don't need to click on Sending Mode. Simply click on the Start Now button. Once you click, your messages will start sending automatically. After the sending process is complete, you will get a detailed report showing how many messages were sent and their delivery status. The software is now updated, and you will always get the latest version from us. You can also take a trial if you want. For more details, check the link in the video description.